You're 22, you've got a degree, a plan, and a faint sense that you're already behind. And I get it. You scroll online and everyone your age seems to be making six figures in tech, flipping houses, in crypto, or running some mysterious agency. You're sitting there wondering, how do people actually build wealth? What's the real game? Let's start with the truth that nobody really tells you in school. Wealth isn't built by working harder. It's built by escaping the trade of time for money. That's it. That's the whole secret. But most people never internalize it. They spend 40 years trying to climb a ladder that's leaning on the wrong wall. They get degrees, promotions, raises, and wake up at 50 still dependent on the paycheck. Because, here's the harsh reality. If your income stops when you stop working, you don't own your life. Your employer does. So the question isn't how do I earn more? It's how do I decouple income from labor? That's what every wealthy person has done, one way or the other. But before we talk about how, let's destroy a myth. Most people think, the rich get there by luck, inheritance, or brilliance. Sure, some do, but the majority, they simply learned how money actually moves. You see, money doesn't flow to effort, it flows to leverage. Leverage, getting outsized results from small inputs. It's what separates the hardworking broke from the strategically wealthy. And there are only three real forms of leverage in this world. Capital, your money making more money. Two, code, software, automation, systems that scale beyond you. And three, content, your ideas, knowledge, and reputation that reaching people while you sleep. Everything else is noise. So when you ask, how do people actually create wealth? Well, the real question is, they build or own leverage. They start by trading time for money, sure, but they use that income to buy back their time later. They create assets that keep producing after they stop touching them. Let me make this simple. There are only four paths to real wealth. Ownership, which is owning a business, a product, or equity in someone else. Investment, putting your money into assets that compound without your presence. Automation, building or using systems that scale your product or your output. And then audience, building trust and distribution so opportunity flows to you automatically. If you don't own any one of these, you're not building wealth. You're just earning income. And income feels good, but it doesn't last. You can be making 200,000 a year and still be fragile, or because your time is still your bottleneck. You can be making 50,000 and growing rich if every year your money and skills are compounding faster than your expenses. Wealth is a direction, not a dollar amount. So if you're 22, here's what you'd actually need to do right now. First, stop trying to get rich fast. Start trying to get free fast. Freedom means being able to choose how you spend your hours. Wealth is just freedom with a spreadsheet. You build that through three stages. Stage number one, learn how to earn. Get into a skill or field where value is high and replaceability is low. Right now, you're training as a financial advisor. Perfect. That's proximity to capital. You learn how money moves in the real world. But don't stop there. While you work, start studying leverage. Study how financial advisors own practices, not just jobs, how they acquire clients, build products, or scale trust. Because most advisors stay broke. They sell advice instead of systems. Learn the difference. Stage number two, learn how to keep. Wealth is not about how much you make, it's about how much you retain and reinvest. Lifestyle inflation is the wealth killer. The first rule is simple. When your income goes up, your spending stays the same for as long as possible. Every dollar you don't waste becomes a soldier fighting for your future freedom. And you don't save to feel safe. You save to buy assets. And stage number three, learn how to multiply. Once you have built a foundation, emergency fund, savings, steady income, your job is to turn earned income into equity. You can buy equity in markets, stocks, EFTs, or build it through ownership. Businesses, real estate, content, intellectual property, things like that. The goal is always the same. Turn your hours into assets because assets are the only employees that never sleep. Now let's talk mindset. At 22, you are not late. You are early. The only people who feel behind are comparing to the wrong timeline. Your 20s aren't for maximizing income. they are for maximizing learning speed. Every new skill you acquire in your 20s, it compounds for decades. But here's the trick. Don't just learn skills, learn frameworks. Learn how systems work, how distribution works, how incentives move people. Because wealth creation isn't random, it's mechanical. It's what happens when you align effort with systems that scale. But let's make it real. You are 22, you are getting into finance. You should be thinking about how to build your own leverage ecosystem. For example, learn personal finance deeply, then teach it online. That's content leverage. Build tools, templates, or calculators that others pay for. That's code leverage. Invest your commission into assets. That's capital leverage. Stake all three, and your income starts compounding without your presence. That's how wealth is created slowly, deliberately, exponentially. And here's the last truth that you have to hear. Most people, they never build wealth because they mistake activity for progress. They work, they plan, they budget, but they never create anything that can outlive their labor. They chase paychecks instead of building pipelines. They keep trying to work harder instead of thinking longer. But you've already done the most important thing. You asked the right question. How do people actually create wealth? That question, if you stay with it, will compound more than any investment you will ever make. Well, because wealth isn't something you find, it's something you build into your habits. So here's what I'll tell you. Spend your 20s learning leverage, spend your 30s owning assets, spend your 40s protecting time, and spend your 50s teaching others how to do the very same. Do that, and you'll never feel behind again. Because real wealth isn't about money, it's about control of your time, your focus, and your direction. And that's something most people will never buy because they never realized they could build.